Now that you've had your braces removed, it's really important that you wear your retainers as much as possible. In this video, I will be going through how to look after the retainers and how to keep them clean and when to wear them. Now, we do recommend getting a cleaning pack from reception as it includes everything in it to keep the retainers nice and safe and to keep them clean. I'm just going to go through what is included in the cleaning pack and when to wear them. So it's really important that you wear your retainers as much as you can. That means throughout the day and throughout the night. The only time that you remove your retainers is when you're eating, when you're drinking anything other than cold water, and when you're playing any sports, which means running around or swimming. It's just best to take them out to keep them safe. So when the retainers are out of the mouth, it's recommended that you definitely keep them in your box. And if you get the cleaning pack, you get a box in the pack. So whenever you're eating, make sure you put them in the box to keep them safe. Try to avoid wrapping them up in tissue paper. That's just another way that they're going to get thrown away and mistaken for rubbish. If you get the whole cleaning pack, what you receive is an ultrasonic bath. Now this bath sends ultrasonic waves through the water and it just shakes off any debris. It stops the brace from smelling and becoming cloudy. What you can do is you fill it up with cold water, pop in your retainers. You also receive a pack of fizzy tablets. You pop in a fizzy tablet, close the lid, switch it on at the back and let it run. Let it run for about 15 minutes. I suggest a good time to do this is when you're having dinner, and then all you have to do is open it up, take out the retainers, rinse them and put them straight back in. We recommend doing this 2 to 3 times a week. On top of this, what we recommend is brushing it every day, twice a day. So just like you do with your teeth, because you'll be sleeping in the retainers, you wake up in the morning, pop them out, brush your teeth, and then give these a really good brush. Now we don't recommend holding it like this because the pressure on one side is going to cause cracks at the front. The same as if you hold it like this, the pressure on both sides are going to cause cracks at the front. The way we recommend to hold them to brush them is pop them in the palm of your hand and just secure it with your thumb like this and give them a really good brush. Now do both retainers, upper and lower, on both sides. If not, alternatively what you can do is just pop it on the bathroom side and give them a really good brush. Now try to avoid using toothpaste on these as toothpaste will scratch them and make them appear cloudy, so just use cold water. As you can see here, my retainer has now become cloudy because too much toothpaste was used on it.